Capitol Reef National Park. Where have you been all my life? Okay, so I'm finishing up day 2 of 6, exploring the 5 national parks of Utah. I began this morning with a hike to Observation Point in Zion National Park. By lunch, I was at the Navajo Queen's Garden Loop in Bryce Canyon. Now I'm at the end of my day, and I have time for just one more hike in Capitol Reef National Park. This is Cassidy Arch. So I am in Capitol Reef National Park. I'm at the Cassidy Arch in Grand Wash Trailhead. It's a little bit after 5. I'm going to see if I can get to the arch and then head down the Grand Wash. I'm going to see what all I can get done before it gets dark. Very windy day. I'll be turning up pretty soon. Boy, it's pretty good. You see the sun right there? You can go straight up that way. Trailhead is right below us. And trail keeps along that way. That's the arch is right over there. Right now I'm headed back towards this wash right here with this drainage, and then the trail will be continuing back on over that way. You can see the trailhead down there where I started. There it is. You get to the sign here, take a left. Really down this drop off, the trail continues on that way. All right, at this point, I don't know where I'm going. I think I'm on the right track now. There's a stack. Keep an eye on that. I'll just sit by it. And I totally go. So that is it for Cassidy Arch. Long way down. But anyways, I'm gonna start making my way back. Straight down that way. No really desire to come to Capitol Reef. I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna come to Utah, I'm gonna knock out all 5 parks. It turned out to be amazing. It's not even about the arch, it's about the entire trail. The entire trail is beautiful. Don't discredit Capitol Reef, and I'll definitely be coming back here. All right, finish up with Cassidy Arch Trail, 3.5 miles. I am beat. 16-mile day, 3 parks, 3 trails. I am whooped. About to go get some Mexican food.
Okay, so if you were in Capitol Reef National Park and you want Mexican food, go check out Choc Malam Mexican Restaurant. Great food. And if you need a place to stay and camping is full within the park, then Sand Creek RV Resort and Campground is your spot. $20 a night for camping, clean shower, great people. Yeah, enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See ya.